Today I'm going to be making a super simple vanilla buttercream, or you might know it as frosting. We're going to start by beating 1 cup of butter. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And beat that in. Now once all that's mixed together, we're going to spoon in the powdered sugar a little bit at a time. Going to start with some in there, and then I'm going to turn it on low. Speed it up. Okay, the reason I'm mixing it on low is so that the powdered sugar doesn't fly up everywhere. But once it's all mixed in, then we can beat it. And I'm going to use my spatula to scrape down a bowl. It's so hot in here, I can't do it. I scraped down the bowl and now I'm going to beat it again. Do you hear it?
Yeah.
Making it nice and airy right now. You know, fluffy frosting, that's the word. Is it done? So I have to try the frosting to make sure it's not poisonous or anything. Make sure it tastes right, you know? Thank you so much for not baking with me because we made a frosting. That's crazy. I'm crazy. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your vanilla frosting. It is delicious. Oh no. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong.